Please rise for our bride, ladies and gentlemen. And who brings this woman to join with this man in marriage today? Thank you. And come on, Denise. And face each other. You come together a little bit closer. Thank you. And gentlemen, you can go ahead and sit down. Please be seated, ladies and gentlemen. Denise, let me just have you guys back up just this way. Yeah, perfect. Okay, good. And welcome, everyone. Douglas and Denise, you've come here to this beautiful place to make a commitment to one another. A commitment of love and friendship, and a commitment to share life together as husband and wife. Today, the vows you'll take are beautiful words representing even more beautiful intentions. But you'll find that as you live these vows over the years, investing your time and your love and your commitment to one another, the happy times of your life will be twice as joyous because there'll be someone to share those joys with. Marriage is an expression of love and respect between two people, and trust and faith in the future. But the union of husband and wife is also an alliance against the challenges and difficulties of life. A promise that when life gets tough, it'll only be half as bad because there'll be someone by your side to help carry the burden. And when life grants you happiness, it'll be more joyous because you have someone to share it with. You stand before me having requested that I join you in marriage. Do you both do this of your own free will with no pressure upon you from other persons?
I do.
I do.
And Douglas, if it's your wish to become the husband of Denise, and you may now share your special words with her.
I prayed for you to come back into my life. And I am so happy that you're here with me today. I'll be here for you for the rest of your life. I promise that.
That's not one of ours.
And Denise, it's okay. You may now share your words with
I
him.
promise we didn't do the drones.
No.
I have prayed for you for so long, even though I didn't know it was going to be you. But I'm so grateful. Not only have you been an amazing friend, a kind man, your integrity, your heart, it's everything that I want. And I give you everything that I have. I love you.
Do we have the rings? You may present them. And Doug, you'll take Denise's, and Denise, you can take Douglas's ring. Thank you. Okay. Your rings are precious because you wear them with love. They symbolize your commitment in marriage. They remind you of who you are, where you've been, and where you're going. As you wear them through time, they'll reflect not only who you are as individuals, but also who you are as a couple. And Douglas, please give your ring to Denise. Place it on her left hand and repeat after me. I solemnly vow.
I solemnly vow
That I will safeguard.
that I will safeguard
And hold.
and hold
And keep in my heart.
and keep in my heart
Our union and you.
our union and you.
I promise to love you faithfully.
I promise to love you faithfully,
Forsaking all others.
forsaking all others,
And stay with you.
and stay with you,
Regardless
regardless
of where life takes us.
of where life takes us.
I will protect you.
I will protect you,
Trust you.
trust you,
And respect you.
and respect you.
I will share your joys.
I will share your joys
And comfort you
and comfort you
in times of need.
in times of need.
I promise to cherish you.
I promise to cherish you
And uphold your hopes and dreams.
and uphold your hopes and dreams,
And keep you safe at my side.
and keep you safe at my side.
All that is mine is now yours.
All that is mine is now yours.
I give you my hand,
I give you my hand,
my heart,
my heart,
and my love.
and my love.
From this moment on,
From this moment on,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
And Denise, please place the ring on Douglas's left hand and repeat after me. I solemnly vow
I solemnly vow
that I will safeguard
I will safeguard
and hold
and hold
and keep in my heart
and keep in my heart
our union and you.
our union and you.
I promise to love you faithfully,
Promise to love you faithfully,
forsaking all others,
forsaking all others,
and stay with you,
and stay with you
regardless
regardless
of where life takes us.
of where life takes us.
I will protect you,
I will protect you,
trust you,
trust you,
and respect you.
and respect you.
I will share your joys
I will share your joys
and comfort you in times of need.
and comfort you in times of need.
I promise to cherish you
I promise to cherish you
and uphold your hopes and dreams,
and uphold your hopes and dreams,
and keep you safe at my side.
and keep you safe at my side.
All that is mine is now yours.
All that is mine is now yours.
I give you my hand,
I give you my hand,
my heart,
my heart,
and my love
and my love
from this moment on,
from this moment on,
for as long as we both shall live.
for as long as we both shall live.
You've just sealed your relationship by the giving and receiving of rings. This beautiful union will be symbolized through the combining of these two individual containers of sand. So I'll have you come on over here. I'm going to face your guest, kind of stand on the back side. And here, Denise, I'll keep this there. Each container holds its own unique beauty, strength, and character. They can stand on their own and be whole without need of anything else. However, when the two are blended together, they create a new and extraordinarily more intricate entity. Each grain of sand brings to the mixture a lasting beauty that forever enriches the combination. You may now pour the sand into the common container. Just as these grains of sand can never be separated and poured again into the individual containers, so will your marriage be a molding of two individual personalities, bonded together, forming one heart and one love. The life that each of you experienced individually before this moment will hereafter be inseparably united, for the two shall become one. Yeah. And come back to me. Whoops. There. Oh my gosh. It's like catching the wind. Okay, there we go. Oh. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, great. All right. Join hands. Douglas and Denise, may the Lord bless you and protect your marriage. May the Lord smile on you both and be gracious. May the Lord show his favor and give Doug and Denise Warren his peace. And now, Douglas and Denise, you have expressed your commitment to one another. You've exchanged rings so that you never forget where you've been and where you're going. By these acts, you have become husband and wife. According to the laws of the state of California, with the authority vested in me, I am delighted to pronounce that you are now husband and wife. And Douglas, you may kiss your bride. You can give her back her flowers, please. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor and pleasure to present to you for the very first time as a married couple, Douglas and Denise, husband and wife.